In this video, we review the eToro trading platform. Have you used the eToro trading platform before? What was your experience? Leave your eToro trading platform review in the comments section below. eToro has become one of the most popular social trading platforms, attracting over 30 million users globally due to its innovative features and beginner-friendly design. First introduced as a traditional forex broker, eToro has evolved into a broad trading platform for stocks, cryptocurrencies, ETFs, and CFDs. Two standout features include the CopyTrader system and the popular investor program, allowing users to mimic experienced trader strategies. According to data from eToro, these social trading tools have made it possible for novice investors to engage in the markets confidently. However, despite its strengths, eToro has several notable drawbacks, especially for experienced traders looking for advanced tools. On the positive side, eToro's social trading is its most talked about feature. CopyTrader allows users to replicate the trades of selected investors, making it appealing for those without extensive market knowledge. The popular investor program incentivizes traders to share their strategies, creating an engaging social community where users can discuss trends, strategies, and insights. This feature, combined with eToro's intuitive interface, makes it ideal for beginners. The platform offers a well-designed mobile app and web interface that work seamlessly together, allowing users to trade on the go. In addition to stocks and ETFs, eToro also supports 19 different cryptocurrencies, catering to the growing interest in digital assets and providing secure storage through its eToro wallet, which can store over 120 coins. Nevertheless, eToro's simplified approach can be a downside for more advanced traders. Its trading tools lack depth compared to competitors, especially in terms of order types and charting features. The absence of margin trading in the US version and limited customization of indicators can be restrictive. Additionally, while eToro does not charge a direct commission on trades, it applies spread fees, which some users report is higher than those on platforms like Coinbase. Another common complaint concerns customer support, with reports of slow response times and no phone support available, which can be a drawback for users seeking immediate assistance. eToro's fee structure is another mixed aspect. There's a $5 fee for each withdrawal, and cryptocurrency transactions come with spreads rather than flat fees, which can add up for high-volume traders. These fees may be manageable for some, but users considering high-frequency trading should be aware. Additionally, users have noted that eToro imposes inactivity fees on accounts with no activity for 12 months, which can be frustrating if funds are left idle. From a security standpoint, eToro meets industry standards with two-factor authentication and data encryption. However, for those who prioritize privacy, eToro's policies around data handling may warrant scrutiny, particularly regarding shared data within the social trading community. Despite these concerns, eToro remains one of the most reliable platforms for beginners and casual investors who value ease of use and social features over technical trading capabilities. Overall, eToro is a compelling option for beginners due to its social trading features and user-friendly platform, but may not satisfy advanced traders who need more sophisticated tools. Its innovative design appeals to those new to trading, yet the platform's fees and limited support can be drawbacks for others. For anyone considering eToro, it's crucial to weigh these pros and cons to determine whether the platform aligns with their trading goals.